shed light to the next generation. I'm here today standing on the shoulders of my mom and dad and so many who came before. About our kids, my two boys, our new baby girl Mira, and all of our kids. This is about the world we want them to grow up in. I refuse to accept that my kids and all our kids could grow up in a world where threats and intimidation are the tactics that the president uses to get his way. Hands off, Boston. I refuse to accept that they could grow up in a world where diversity and equality are constantly under assault. Hands off, Boston.
Hands off, Boston!
I refuse to accept that they could grow up in a world where immigrants, like their grandma and grandpa, are automatically presumed to be criminals. Hands off, Boston.
Hands off, Boston!
We know who we are. We need each other, and the country needs Boston right now. Boston has never and will never back down to bullies. Let us break us. Thank you, Boston, for being here today, and let's stay on the fight.
Good speakers, and now we need to take a little time to sing. All right, so here's the deal. I want you to look around, and I want you to see one more person that you do not know, and I want you to introduce yourself to them, and I want you to tell them the first that you went to that really spoke to you. So, Chip, what was the song that really spoke to you?
Right on, no, you're going to do what you can.
All right? Okay. So now, guys, we have Be Vocal, which is coming to join us. Be Vocal is a new choir. Be Vocal is a new choir that has been formed to help lead music and song. Now, there's about 80 of them up on stage. But I come out of the black church. And in the black church, there's the official people that sing from the pulpit. But there is also the understanding that everybody in the congregation is going to join in. So we have our 80 official singers up here, but the choir is all of us. So I'm going to hand it over to the choir director to teach you the song, and then we're about to sing so loud that it crosses the river in Cambridge and Somerville, that they can hear it in Brookline, that it goes across the water to Eastie. We're about to sing loudly.
So a lot of you know the song, "We Shall Not Be Moved." We've changed the words. "We shall not be moved." Just like a free people standing united, we shall not be moved. Here's how it goes. We shall